Today's self-care tip number 6, your power pose. Did you know that your posture can actually influence your hormones and that your posture can actually shape the way you are, the kind of person that you are? It's so powerful. Our posture regulates so many different things. So today I'm sharing a power pose with you. Actually, I'm sharing 2. And the reason I want to share these with you is because you can get such an amazing reset so quickly. So the first one is what they call the superpower pose, hence the cape, right? So it's standing with your feet apart a little bit, your hands on your hips. And if you hold this for a grand total of about 2 minutes, it will actually decrease cortisol, which is a stress hormone, and increase testosterone, which helps you feel more confident. So holding this superpower pose is really amazing. And then the next one, the next pose I really like is this one, where same thing, your legs are about hip width apart and you're just basically reaching up, you're looking up to the sky. Looking up to the sky helps us feel like there's more possibilities. It changes our physiology. With your hands up, it increases serotonin. Serotonin is primarily made in your gut. So reaching up here, and again, holding for 2 minutes. So this is a super easy self-care tip. The other thing that I'd love to share with you is Amy Cuddy. She has a TED Talk. She talks a lot about posture. She also discusses the defeatist posture, which is the rounding down, right? Your back is kind of rounded. You're sort of looking down. She calls this a defeatist posture, which changes your hormones, changes your emotional state. So what do we do all day that's in this posture? Yeah, of course, we're on our phones, we're on our technology. So again, to reorient, move back into the power pose. You want a really quick mental reset. Use these postures to change your emotional, mental, and physical state. So there you go. That's the tip for today. I want to end it with, dear mama, you're worth the quiet moment. You're worth the deeper breath. You're worth the time it takes to slow down, be still, and rest.